Alright, we're out here in the shop today. We got ourselves a 3D printed kind of electric e-bike. So I designed all these parts to mount onto this bike. We got this part here, it holds the batteries. And those are batteries for my 18 volt DeWalt Ryobi drills. And then a mount for the PWM, which is controlled by this throttle, which when you turn the handle, you get this down here to move. The gear set. It just spins the crank, so you gotta pedal with her, but as long as you can pedal real fast, then you can go real fast, so it ain't no big deal. But that's it for this project, I guess. We will get some more of it working. Give me a second, I'm gonna go grab a battery, actually. Okay, and we're back. So the battery snaps in just like that, boom, it's in, and then you got power, so it's live. And that's that.